is going on, everybody? Welcome to Dairy Queen. Not Dairy Queen. Welcome to Network King. I'm Derek, and today we'll be covering how to remove and add directories using the Windows Command Prompt. Dairy Queen. So you can see clearly what's on my mind. I'm hungry. But anyways, back to the video. Let's go into our desktop directory. CD desktop. And let's look at that directory, see what the list shows. Okay, we have our B's, which is Barola, C's, Chosen, Cisco, D's, blah, blah. Alright. Now, to make a directory, type in MK for make, dir for directory, space, and whatever you'd like to name that directory. For instance, today I am making bacon. Why? Because I love bacon. Make directory bacon, enter. Now let's look at that directory once more. Enter. You're going to notice that the bacon directory has been created. And let's look at our desktop. You're going to notice that the bacon folder has been created. Now if we go back to remove the directory, type in rm, short for remove, and once again directory, space, and the name of the directory, remove. Let's look at the list once again. You're going to notice that the directory for bacon has been removed. Let's look at the desktop. It's gone. Alright. Now I'm not sure if you noticed, but it's case sensitive when you're adding it. So MK, dir once again. It's case sensitive when you're adding the directory for the name. But to remove it, see, that's a lowercase b. But to remove it, it's not case sensitive. I'm going to use a capital B, bacon. And once again, let's show the directory. It's gone. Let's look over here. It's gone as well. Alright, now that we've covered how to add and remove them, let's check this out. So let's move into the bacon directory. Whoops. Bacon. Oh. Let me see something real quick. That's right, completely forgot that we just removed it. So make directory bacon, enter dir, there it is. Alright, now let's move into it. Bacon. Now that we're in it, you're going to see that it's empty. Until it's empty, so let's just create a few directories within this, so you can see what happens. So make test one, or let's call this crispy. Wow, see that? Make dir crispy. MK dir delicious. Alright. Now let's exit back one directory, back to the desktop. Now let's remove that bacon directory. You saw what happened before, it would remove it. Well, now it's going to tell you that the directory is not empty. Therefore, you can't just delete it. So if we look at the desktop, we're going to see that bacon's right here, and you can see that there's files within it, or folders. And there we go, crispy and delicious. It didn't remove it like it normally did. Well, so what you got to look at is right here, rmdir bacon won't remove anything that has something within it. What we have to do is go rmdir, I'm going to do, /s bacon. Now what that's going to do is it's going to tell the command prompt to delete it with all its contents within. So let's try that once more. Bacon. Are you certain? This is like bacon. Are you sure? Because there's files within. Now, of course, we'll say yes. Voila. Now let's check the directory once more. You're gonna notice that bacon is gone. So bacon is gone. Alright, so now that we covered how to add and create and delete directories, I'll show you a neat little trick. I'm gonna clear my screen real quick. So CLS for clear screen. And so rm dir for remove directory bacon. So let's say you have this really long command. I know this one isn't that long of a command at all, but you wanted to jump to the front, to the very beginning of the text. You can type, or you can press the left arrow key and go all the way this way. If you had a long command, it would get annoying. Or you can press the home button and it'll take you to the beginning of the text. So you can add or delete whatever it is you need to. Or you can press end button, take you to the very end of it. Another little thing is if you press control and hold control and press left, it'll take you word by word. So just to recap, remember, home is to the beginning of the line, end is the end of the line, hold control left is word by word, arrow key left or right is one character at a time, and if you want to remove directory, don't forget to include that /s, and if you're lost, don't forget you can put that /? and it'll give you the options and flags that are available for that command. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If it was useful to you or helpful in any kind of way, please like, share, or comment down below. Remember that hands-on experience is key, so I recommend that you open up that Windows Command Prompt and follow along with me, step by step. If you'd like to learn more on how to use the Windows Command Prompt, go on to the next video in this tutorial. Until then, cheers.